Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing Glisten Glow's contribution to June's polish pickup. The theme for this month is Over the Rainbow, and Glisten Glow will be offering an exclusive polish as well as their cuticle remover and cuticle oil pen duo. Both these items will be available at polishpickup.com and only from June 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to June 7th at 11:59 Eastern Standard Time. First, let's swatch the polish, which is named Rainbow Bridge, and this polish is inspired by the Rainbow Bridge poem and is described as a medium cream-based polish loaded with rainbow flakes. The price is $12.50 and there is no cap. The first coat is a little sheer, but there is definitely no shortage of those rainbow flakes. The second coat was perfect for me. It deepened the purple just a bit, but you could still see all those layers of rainbow flakes. I added Glisten Glow's top coat and their matte top coat to show you how this polish looks both glossy and matte, and on camera I think you can really see those rainbow flakes in the matte swatch. I've already worn this polish again since I first swatched it, and I tried a third coat which deepened the purple just slightly more, so if you like a slightly deeper purple, that third coat would probably be just right for you. Glisten Glow is also offering their cuticle remover and cuticle oil pen duo for June's indie pickup, and they are both in the scent Rainbows and Sunshines, which is described as a wonderful blend of fresh, clean, fruity blend of orange, peach, watermelon, strawberry, and cranberry, a wake-me-up scent of fruity fun with a touch of happy and carefree thrown in, and honestly I couldn't have described that scent any better. I wish you could smell it through the video because it smells amazing. To use these pens, you just need to remove the cap and then twist the piece at the bottom and the product will come out through the brush tip applicator. For the cuticle pen, I just applied a generous amount to my cuticle area, let it sit for about a minute or so, and then I used a metal cuticle pusher to very gently push back my cuticle. And once that was done, I made sure to wash my hands with soap and water. The cuticle oil pen works in the exact same way, so I applied a base coat first and then I used the cuticle oil pen to hydrate my cuticles, and I also made sure to get under my nails. And the price for this duo is $12 and there is no cap. So that's all for today's video. Again, both the polish and the cuticle remover and oil pen duo will be available at polishpickup.com and only from June 4th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time until June 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll leave a link below to the Polish Pickup shop as well as my other Glisten Glow swatch videos. But anyways, that's all for today and I will see you guys next time. Bye!